Two cities X and Y are connected by a regular bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every 2 minutes. A girl is driving scooty with a speed of 60 km per hour in the direction X to Y. Notices that a bus goes past her every 30 minutes in the direction of her motion and every 10 minutes in the opposite direction. Choose the correct option for the period T of the bus service and the speed assumed constant of the buses. So बच्चों, in this question there is a girl is moving from X to Y. गर्ल X से Y जा रही है. नाउ बस का क्या है? बस दोनों डायरेक्शन में जा रही है. बस X से Y भी जा रही है और Y से X भी आ रही है. लेकिन जो बस इस X से Y की ओर जा रही है, इट इज पासिंग एट एवरी 30 मिनट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस गर्ल. और जो बस इस Y से X आ रही है, इट इज पासिंग एट एवरी 10 मिनट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस गर्ल. और बच्चों, फ्रॉम पॉइंट X और फ्रॉम पॉइंट Y, bus is leaving after every t minutes. So we have to find out two things. Number one, speed of the bus, and number two, time interval t. So let me begin this problem. In the beginning, let me assume the speed. So let me write down speed of the bus. Speed of the bus is given as v. और बच्चों, हमें यह स्पीड बस की फाइंड आउट करनी है. One more point, time interval in which buses are leaving from initial and end points is the t. So time interval is the t. और बच्चों, जो गर्ल की स्पीड है, वेलोसिटी ऑफ द स्कूटी है, that is already given. It is given as 60 kilometer per hour. Now let me make a equation. So बच्चों, for the bus in time interval t, how much distance cover? So let me write down for the bus. Distance is equal to speed into time. So बस की स्पीड है v और टाइम है t. डिस्टेंस कवर इन अ टाइम इंटरवल t, d is equal to vt. Now we will solve this problem with respect to girl. So बच्चों, in the direction of x to y क्या हो जाएगा? From x to y. तो बच्चों, x to y डायरेक्शन के अंदर डिस्टेंस कवर in 30 minutes, how much? So this, in this case, v means speed of the bus, minus 60, this is the speed of the scooty in the time interval 30 minutes. But bachcho, in this time interval I will compare with 1, so I may write d is equal to vt or qv minus 60, because it is the case of the relative motion and in the same direction we used to subtract the speed. So Vt is equal to V minus 60 into 30. Same way, we may write for the direction y to x. तो बच्चों, y to x में क्या हो जाएगा? As I am gonna write from y to x. Same way, distance d ही है. So for the d distance, I may write v plus 60 because it is the opposite direction. And the time interval is a 10 minutes, so I will write here 10. Distance is equal to velocity into time. Once again, as I will put the data, d is equal to vt. So we will write vt is equal to v plus 60 into 10. So let me give the equation number. This is the equation number 2 and this is the equation number 3. Now बच्चों, let me compare equation 2 and 3. Q, both are having same left hand side. So let me compare the equation 2 and 3. So what I will write from equation 2 and 3, I would like to write is I will compare both right hand side. V minus 60 into 30 is equal to V plus 60 into 10. Now as we simplify, 10 3s are 30. 3 into V means 3V minus 180 is equal to V plus 60. 3V minus V means 2V. 2V is equal to 240. And as we will further simplify, V is equal to 120 kilometer per hour. So बच्चों, this is the speed of the bus 120 kilometer per hour. Now let me put this value in equation number 2, and with the help of equation 2, let me find out time period t. So from equation 2, now speed of the bus is a 120 into time period t is equal to 120 minus 60 multiplied by 30. 30 fours are 120. So 4t is equal to 120 minus 60, that is a 60. So t is equal to 60 by 4. So answer will become 15 minute. Clear bachcho? So the correct option will become, the correct answer will be speed is 120 kilometer per hour while the time period is a 15 minute. So option number 4, that is a correct answer, 15 minute and 120 kilometer per hour.